everyone! Welcome to my virtual class. I am Mom J and I'm your teacher for today. Happy learning!
Ang lesson natin sa araw na ito ay word problems involving factorings. So, magsasolve na po tayo ng problem na gamit ang factoring. So, i-apply natin siya into a real-life situation. So, balikan natin yung mga types of factoring. So, we have the common monomial factor or what we call PCMF. So, ito yung pattern na ginagamit natin. Difference of two squares or dots. So, ayan yung pattern. Sum and difference of two cubes. So, pag SOTC, ayan yung pattern natin. At pag DOTC, ayan yung pattern natin. Perfect square trinomial or what we call PST. Ayan. General trinomials. And last is the factoring by grouping. So, ayan yung mga pattern natin. So, review muna tayo. So, i-translate natin yung mga sumusunod na verbal phrases into mathematical expressions. So, dahil problem solving tayo, kailangan muna natin mag-review or kailangan maging familiarize kayo sa mga words at kung paano nyo siya isusulat as mathematical expressions. So, let's have number 1, the ratio of a number x and 4 added to 2. So, meron tayong word dito na ratio and added. So, ibig sabihin ng ratio, magdi-divide. So, ang symbol niya, alam nyo naman yung symbol ng division, di ba? At pag added, so addition. So, alam nyo naman ang symbol ng addition. So, ratio of a number x and 4. So, ibig sabihin, x divided by 4 or x over 4. Yan. And then, added, so addition, so plus 2. Yan. So, yan po yung ating mathematical expression para sa ating verbal phrase na the ratio of a number x and 4 added to 2. So, let's have number 2. The product of the square root of 3 and number y. So, meron tayong word na product. So, pag sinabing product, multiplication. So, alam niyo naman yung symbol ng multiplication. So, pagka algebra, ang multiplication natin ay hindi x. Pwede po yung asterisk o kaya dalawang quantity. Open and close parenthesis, sorry. Or, pwede namang pagdikitin lang natin yung dalawang given. So, depende po sa given eh. Ayan. So, square root. So, alam nyo naman yung symbol ng square root. So, yun yung may radical sign. So, try na natin. So, the product of the square root of 3. So, square root of 3 muna unahin natin. Yan. And the number y. So, lagay lang natin si y. At since product po ating pinag-uusapan, so, pwedeng ganito na lang yung sagot natin. So, pwede rin maglagay kayo ng open and close parenthesis sa kanilang dalawa. Or, maglagay kayo dito ng asterisk. Yan. So, marami naman tayo ng symbol for product, for multiplication. So, ito na lang po yung ating sagot. Yan. Number 3, the sum of the square of b and 2. So, mayroon tayong word na sum. So, pag sum, addition po yun. So, plus sign lang. Square. Pag sinabing square, exponent po. So, lalagyan natin ng exponent si b. Ayan. So, dahil square, 2 yun. Pag cube, 3. Okay? So, depende po sa words na ginamit. So, dahil square, so 2. Exponent niya po ay 2. And 2. So, sum of square of b and 2. So, dahil sum, so mag-a-add tayo ng 2. Yan. So, yan po yung mathematical expression para sa number 3. Number 4, the cube of the number z decreased by 9. So, may word tayong cube. So, exponent po ito, which is 3. And then, may word tayong decrease. So, ibig sabihin minus. So, ang symbol po natin ay minus. So, yung parang dash, ano. And then, dahil pag minus, subtraction po siya. Ayan. So, cube of number z. So, na ang exponent niya ay 3. Decrease, so minus. So, yan yung symbol ng minus. By 9. So, ito yung number 9. Yan. Number 5. 10 times a number y increased by 6. So, pag sinabing times, multiplication po yun. And pag increase, addition. So, 10 times a number y. So, times y. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng asterisk dito or pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng open and close parentheses. Or simply as that. So, increase. So, plus 6. Ayan. So, yan yung mathematical expression for number 5. We have 10 times a number y increased by 6. Ayan. So, nakapag-recap na tayo. So, familiarize na kayo sa mga words at kung paano siya isusulat into mathematical expression. So, what are word problems? So, word problems are mathematical exercises that are presented in a narrative manner rather than using a mathematical notation. It is a common way of relating mathematical concept to real-life situation using descriptive problems. So, steps that will help to translate and solve the problem. So, number 1, read through the entire problem. Number 2, organize the information so a drawing may be useful. So, pwede kayo mag-drawing. Number 3, write the equation. Number 4, solve the equation. And number 5, check the answer. So, itry na natin. So, ito yung ating problem number 1. So, what is the length of a rectangle with an area of quantity 18x squared plus 45x square units and the width is 9x units? Solution. So, ang given natin sa area of a rectangle which is 18x squared plus 45x square units. And the width of the rectangle is equals to 9x units. And we're looking for the length of the rectangle. So, yun yung hinahanap. So, ang formula ng rectangle ay A equals L times W, where L stands for the length and W stands for the width. At para makuha natin yung length ng rectangle, kailangan nating i-factor yung ating area. So, ang ating area ay 18x squared plus 45x. So, gamit po ang PCMF. Okay? So, i-factor natin sa 18x squared plus 45x. So, gamit ang PCMF. So, yan yung common nila. At kunin natin yung kanilang GCF. So, ang kanyang GCF ay 9x. So, kung 9x ang kanyang GCF, ang remaining factor niya ay quantity 2x plus 5. So, ayan po yung factor ni 18x squared plus 45x. So, ang sagot ay 9x times quantity 2x plus 5. So, ito yung ating area. So, ang 9x nasa given, which is the width. And we're looking for the length of the rectangle. So, yung another factor ng ating given or ng ating area, yun po yung kanyang length. So, meaning, ang sagot natin sa number 1 ay 2x plus 5 units. So, ito po yung length of the rectangle. So, application po ito ng PCMF. So, number 2. 49 less than the square of a number equals 0. So, find the number. So, meron tayong word dito na less than. So, pag less than, ang operation na gagamitin natin ay subtraction. So, square sa exponent po yan. So, equals. So, equals sign. Ayan. So, ano natin siya. So, solution. So, let x equals number. Kasi hinahanap natin yung number. Diba? So, x squared minus 49 equals 0. So, ito yung mathematical equation para sa ating verbal phrase na 49 less than the square of a number equals 0. Ayan. At kung napapansin nyo, yung ating equation ay naka-dots. Diba? Naka-difference of 2 squares. Ayan. So, we will use dots to factor x squared minus 49. So, application po ito ng dots or difference of two squares. So, ang factor ni x squared minus 49 ay quantity x plus 7 times quantity x minus 7. Yan. So, equate natin siya sa 0 para mahanap natin yung number. So, let's find the number. So, x plus 7 equals 0. So, para makuha natin yung value ni x, kailangan natin gumamit ng addition property of equality or transposition method. So, pwede natin ilipat si 7 sa right sides. So, ang value ng x natin ay negative 7. So, from positive, magiging negative kasi nilipat natin siya sa right side. Or, gumamit po tayo ng addition property of equality, which is mag-a-add tayo ng negative 7 both sides. Then, another one. So, x minus 7 equals 0. So, ganun pa rin. Pwede tayong gumamit ng addition property of equality. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 7 both side. Or we just simply transpose negative 7 to right side. So, magiging x equals 7. So, the two numbers or the numbers that we're looking for is negative 7 or 7. Yan. So, yan po yung sagot sa number 2. So, yung number 2, application po siya ng dots. So, difference of two squares. Number 3, the length of the laptop is 5x minus 3 cm. If the area is 125x cubed minus 27 cm cube or centimeter cube, what is the width? So, solution. So, ang given natin, ang area of the laptop is equals to 125x cubed minus 27 cm cube. And the length of the laptop is equals to 5x minus 3 centimeter. And we're looking for the width of the laptop. So, hinahanap natin yung width ng laptop. So, ang formula pa rin ang gagamitin natin. So, A equals L times W, where L stands for the length and W stands for the width and A stands for the area. Ayan. So, kung napapansin nyo yung ating given ay naka-raise sa 3. At si 125 at si 27 may cube root. So, pagka ganitong case, anong factoring or anong types ng factoring ang gagamitin natin? Tingnan nyo rin at ang sign natin ay minus. So, ang gagamitin nating factoring dito ay DOTC. So, application po siya ng difference of two cubes. So, gagamit tayo, ipapactor natin si 125x cubed minus 27 using DOTC. Ayan. So, ang factor niya ay quantity 5x minus 3 times quantity 25x squared plus 15x plus 9. So, dapat alam nyo na kung paano mag-factor, kasi ano na to application na to application na tayo Wherein, so ito na, nakuha na natin yung factor. So, si 125x cubed minus 27, yan po yung ating area. At si 5x minus 3, ang ating length. Kasi diba nasa given siya. So, in other words, itong ating natitirang factor, yan yung magiging width niya. So, ayan. So, dahil yan na yung ating width, meron na tayong sagot. So, ang width ng laptop ay quantity 25x squared plus 15x plus 9 cm squared. So, lagyan natin ng ng label. Kasi meron tayong label dito sa or units sa problem. Okay? So, ito po yung ating sagot. So, application po siya ng DOTC or difference of two cubes. So, let's have number 4. The square has an area of x squared plus 8x plus 16. So, what is the length? Solution. So, ang given natin, so area of the square is equals to x squared plus 8x plus 16. And we're looking for the length of the square. So, ang formula na gagamitin natin ay A equals S squared. Where A stands for the area and S stands for the length. Length po to At kung napapansin nyo, ang ating given ay trinomial. Kung magtitingnan nyo rin yung first term natin at ang ating last term, merong square root. So, ang gagamitin natin dito ay PST. So, we will factor x squared plus 8x plus 16 using PST or perfect square trinomial. So, kailangan nyo lang maging mapagmatsyag at kailangan nyo rin tingnan na mabuti kung anong factoring method yung gagamitin nyo para masagutan yung problem. Ayan. So, i-factor natin sa x squared plus 8x plus 16. So, ang square root ng x squared ay x at ang square root ng 16 ay 4. Wherein, pag inad natin si 4 ay equal sa 8. So, ang factor niya ay quantity x plus 4 raised to 2. So, ito yung ating area at ito yung ating length. So, dahil length ang ating kinukuha, so ang ating sagot ay x plus 4. Yan. So, the length of the square. Yan. Nakuha ba? So, let's solve number 5. A room has floor space of x squared plus x minus 6 square feet. If the width of room is x minus 2, what is the length? So, solution natin. So, ang given natin, floor space of the room is equals to x squared plus x minus 6 square feet. And width of the room is equals to x minus 2. And we're looking for the length of the room. So, ganun pa rin ang formula, equals L times W. So, kung napapansin nyo yung ating given trinomial, pero yung ating last term, hindi siya wala siyang square root. So, ibig sabihin, general trinomial yung ating gagamitin or quadratic trinomial. Yan. So, papactor natin siya gamit yung general trinomial. So, mag-isip kayo ng factor ni 6 na kapag negative 6 na kapag inad nyo ay equal sa positive 1. Eh, meron na tayong given dito na x minus 2. So, anong magiging sagot? Okay, so ang matitira na lang ay x plus 3. Or yung another factor niya ay x plus 3. So, equals quantity x minus 2 times quantity x plus 3. Ito yung ating area. Ito yung ating width. So, ibig sabihin, sa x plus 3 yung ating length. So, the length of the room is equals to x plus 3 feet. Yan. Yan po yung ating sagot. So, let's have number 6. The area of the classroom is 4WZ plus 2WH plus 6SZ plus 3SH. So, find its dimensions. So, kung nakikita nyo, yung ating given dito sa problem ay may 4 na terms. So, pagka ganyan ang case, by grouping yung ating i-apply. So, solution. So, ang given natin sa area of the classroom is 4WZ plus 2WH plus 6SZ plus 3SH. And we're looking for its dimensions. At dahil 4 na terms yan, ipa-factor natin siya gamit yung grouping. So, ganyan pa rin yung formula. So, using grouping. So, i-group natin yung 4 sa 2. So, kahit ano naman pwede. As long na may maipalabas tayong common binomial as one of the factor nila. Okay? So, yan yung ginrupo ko. So, si 4WZ plus 2WH, meron siyang factor na 2W times quantity 2Z plus H. At si 6SZ plus 3SH ay may factor na 3S times quantity 2Z plus H. So, meron akong naipalabas na factor na magkaparehas sila. So, one of the factor na yan. So, we have quantity 2W plus 3S times quantity 2Z plus H. So, yun yung factor ng ating polynomial. So, ang magiging sagot, ang dimensions ng ating classroom ay quantity 2W plus 3S and quantity 2Z plus H. So, yun lamang po yung application ng factoring sa problem solving. So, kailangan lang tingnan nyo mabuti kung anong method yung gagamitin sa bawat problem. So, ano naman yan eh, obserbahan nyo lang. Para mas madali nyo siyang ma-solve. At madali niyong mahanap yung mga hinahanap doon sa problem. So, itry nyo nga ito. So, solve the following problems and show your solution. Ayan, sana may naintindihan kayo sa ating lesson sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat!
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time!